Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets and listeners. Hope you are all fine and going well with your life. Today we are going to discuss the same thing about language, English language and its composition. And its first part, present indefinite tense, we have already completed it. Today we are going to revise first the active voice of the present indefinite tense and its formation, and then how the same tense, present indefinite tense, is spoken and written in passive voice of its sense. The sense remains same, लेकिन कहने का मतलब है कि प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट को दो तरह के अंदाज में, एक्टिव वॉइस में और पैसिव वॉइस में कहा जाता है। हम आज एक्टिव वॉइस को दोबारा रिपीट करते हुए, जो लास्ट लेसन में प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट डिस्कस करते हुए जो फॉर्मेशन हमने डिस्कस करके एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस बनाए थे, उनको सामने रखते हुए आज हम पैसिव वॉइस और उसकी फॉर्मेशन, उसकी जो टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है, क्या रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन हमने, कॉमन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है जो हमने ज़हन में रखने, और उसका हाउ वी विल फ्रेम, हाउ वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट द पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंसेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट. Today we are going to discuss this topic. This is very helpful thing that we are going to elaborate, or we are going to explain or express any happening, any story, any accident or occasion which is even past, but we are telling it in the form of story. Same thing can be said, same thing can be repeatedly informed to other in these two sentences. So let us see how present indefinite active voice is changed into passive voice. Firstly, we will discuss what is present indefinite tense. वो काम जो हम या कोई भी नाउन या प्रोनाउन या सब्जेक्ट करता है, करती है, करता हूँ, करते हो, करते हैं, जो सेंटेंस कंप्लीशन, सेंस टू से ऐसे में आ रहा हो, जो बात हम कहना चाह रहे हो उस बात का ख़त्म होना ऐसे आ रहा हो, हम खाना खाते हैं, हम साल में एक बार दूसरा शहर विजिट करने जाते हैं, तो ये ते है, ता है, ती है का जो सेंटेंस लेकर आता है वो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट टेंस होता है. हाउ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड इन एक्टिव वॉइस स्टाइल. These are two styles of present indefinite. All the tenses have two styles of speaking. Firstly, active voice जो हमने पहले डिस्कस किया. See, subject and then first form of verb. First form of verb में हम जब he, she or singular name is there, then we place s or es with first form of verb, and then object is given. How? Look at that. He, subject. ही अब कंडीशनल है, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ एस लगाना है. ता है, ही प्लेज, खेलता है क्रिकेट, ही प्लेज क्रिकेट. दे रिस्पेक्ट एल्डर, अब दे है, इसके साथ देयर इज नो एस और ई एस. दे रिस्पेक्ट एल्डर्स, वो बड़ों की इज्जत करते हैं. वी ऑफर 5 times प्रेयर, हम 5 वक्त की नमाज अदा करते हैं. I ring different bells, मैं मुख्तलिफ घंटियां बजाता हूं. हिना writes, अब हिना सिंगल नेम है, you can see that I have written he or she or single name is there, then you will again place s or es. Hina writes a letter, Ali writes a letter, Amjad invites his friend for dinner. ओके, करता है, अमजद अपने दोस्तों को डिनर के लिए इनवाइट करता है. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द सेंस टू से दैट इज द एक्चुअल आइडेंटिटी ऑफ, जो असल रिकग्नाइजेशन है, जो हम सेंस टू से जो बात हम करना चाह रहे होते हैं, वो ये प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट है. सो वी प्रैक्टिस इंग्लिश टेंसेस, हम इंग्लिश टेंसेस को प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. ये हो गया एक्टिव वॉइस वे आउट, जो हमने पहले भी प्रीवियस लेसन में डिस्कस किया. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट. In this, first of all, I will let you know that passive voice of every sentence, every tense has 3 common rule and regulations. What are those three common rules and regulations? That in passive voice, subject and object replacement, first of all. Second is third form of verb. And third one is personal pronoun of the subject. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन क्या है ये आगे मैंने बताया है कि जो प्रोनाउन का ही हिस्सा होते हैं, लेकिन वो किस सेंस में इस्तेमाल हो रहे होते हैं, यू विल कम टू नो लेटर ऑन. फर्स्टली वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हाउ पैसिव वॉइस इज अरेंज्ड, is constructed, is made in present indefinite. और इन sentences को हम for example ज़हन में रखेंगे. Here in passive voice of the present indefinite tense, हम subject we are placing object at the place of, we are placing object at the place of subject. You can see that object is here. Here subject was the first word. Now object is going to be the first word. Object के साथ next चीज क्या है? Is, am, are, helping word. The helping word is, am, are those helping verbs which are recognizing the present sense. The present sense is, है, am, हूँ, are, हैं. So these three words express present sense, present time sense. Then next step is third form of verb is placed. ये मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि third form of verb is placed in all the passive voice of the all the tenses. Then we use by, जिसके जरिए by action कौन सा subject करता है, वहां पर हम सब्जेक्ट को लेकर उसके प्रोनाउन की जगह पर्सनल प्रोनाउन लगा देते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन? द एक्शन व्हिच इज मेड बाय which pronoun, that is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun, he made the action made by him, she made action made by her, they ka them, you ka you, we का us, I का me, और नाउन ही रहता है. नाम जो आया हुआ होता है वो नाम ही रहता है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस द मैनेजमेंट एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पैसिव वॉइस ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, कीपिंग द एग्जाम्पलरी सेंटेंसेस ऑफ एक्टिव वॉइस आल्सो. सो लेट अस keep both the things, both frames differently in our minds, and let us see how the active voice sense is changed in passive voice with what scheme of words. This is the important thing. He plays cricket. Here he is the subject and cricket is the object. Cricket has become the first word now. Cricket, helping verb. Cricket is singular thing. For singular thing we will place is, and for plurals object we will place are here. Cricket is third form of verb played by he ka him. He ka him. Here first form of verb, here third form of verb. Then you come to see they respect elders. वो बड़ों की इज्जत करते हैं. Now elders are object here. यहाँ object पहले आ गया. Elders are respected by they का them. Elders are respected by them. Active voice, we offer 5 times prayer. 5 times prayer is the object, and here 5 times prayer is offered by us. हम 5 वक्त की नमाज अदा करते हैं. 5 वक्त की नमाज अदा की जाती है हमसे, या 5 वक्त की नमाज हमसे अदा की जाती है. ये सेंस टू से प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट का इसी तरह से कंटिन्यू रहता है. आई रिंग डिफरेंट बेल्स. अब ये मुख्तलिफ बेल्स, ये जो एडजेक्टिव है क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव बोथ एडजेक्टिव है, ये साथ ही आएगा. डिफरेंट बेल्स, अब ये प्लूरल चीज है, ज्यादा है. डिफरेंट बेल्स, तो यहां पर आर है प्लूरलिटी के लिए. डिफरेंट बेल्स आर रंग बाय मी. हिना राइट्स. हिना इज सिंगुलर एंड नेम. Name will be remaining name at the shuffling of subject and object. So see, Hina writes a letter. A letter is written by Hina. Hina remain Hina. लेकिन जब she आएगा तो she का हर लग जाएगा. अगर name आएगा तो name noun का उधर noun ही रहेगा. We practice English tenses. English tenses are practiced by us. Practice, third form of verb. Us, we. I का personal pronoun है me. The action made by me. I do that. तो ये I का personal pronoun me है. You can see the personal pronoun of the pronouns from here, from this list. I hope you have understood this and you will repeat both of the forms, active voice form of present indefinite tense and structure and construction of passive voice way to construct the present indefinite sentences. You can practice the shuffling, you can see, you can observe the changes happening in it. The most important thing is to understand the frame of the passive voice that consists of the change helping word. Helping word is driven from present because the present indefinite is being done. If हम past indefinite कर रहे होते तो यहाँ पर helping verb was या वर आता, जो कि था या थे. past show करने वाले word आते. क्योंकि हम present indefinite we are practicing, so object के बाद object इधर आ गया, helping verb present का is am are आ गया, third form of verb is used, and then use of by because action is made by us, by the subjects, and then subject का हम यहाँ पर personal pronoun करते हैं. personal pronoun क्या होता है? personal pronoun he अगर pronoun है तो इसका personal pronoun him है. she pronoun है तो इसका personal pronoun her है. so they का them, you का you. You will copy the board. You will, if feel any misconception or any misunderstanding, you can review the lecture. I think I have expressed both of the forms with some examples and with the proper what we call it, proper way of, proper frame of, method and construction way of active voice of the present indefinite and passive voice of the present indefinite. I hope you found this lesson very interesting and you will practice the couple of sentences I am going to write here, and you will practice those sentences at your home. You will discuss the same sentences to be made by you or with the help of any of the elder person who can help you in that. Definitely practicing this and speaking this all, sharing the ideas and sharing the sentences in both of the changed form, or the discussion, the method is also a way to improve English, that you keep a subject, you keep a topic, and you start organizing the sentences to speak and to construct and different sentences about it. So I am going to write different sentences here, and I wish that you will make the proper passive voice of the active voice by you yourself after learning and after having some guideline from me. Yes, I am going to write some of the sentences here which you will practice to transfer them into the passive voice frame, and passive voice style. So let us see what are the sentences I am going to give you here for example and for practicing the shifting of present indefinite active voice into passive voice. Yes, dear cadets, dear listener, I have written couple of sentences here that you will practice to make them in passive voice sentences, and I hope you will definitely enjoy doing that all activity for writing purpose and for English speaking purpose. Both of the purpose will be completed that belongs to English language and composition. These sentences are to be changed in passive voice according to this formation. They collect many cats. You can see many cats is the object here. What you will shift. Many cats are collected by them. That is how you will try to organize active voice sentences and then will make in passive voice sentences. She cooks tasty food. Tasty food will be here first and then you will follow. People visit the park every Sunday, and then everyone loves mangoes. That you will practice. These are the sentences you will practice to shift them, to change them into passive voice sentences, and I hope you will enjoy the time and you will enjoy the conversation if you have a partner for doing that and for completing these sentences. We will be appearing with the same lessons in the next lecture, where we will be practicing the present continuous tense and the passive voice, same passive voice of present continuous tense. And first we will learn the present continuous tense, what is actually in active voice. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I wish you all the best to do that work. Stay safe. The hot days and hot evenings are right there. Don't go out of the home without any urgent purpose, without any important thing, but stay safe from the sunstroke and don't get so heated. Stay safe, stay healthy, respect your elders and try to be positive by your mind and actions. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.